Oh, once upon a time in a small village nestled between rolling hills and serene streams, there lived a wise old man named Master Koji. Master Koji was known far and wide for his profound wisdom and tranquil presence. People sought his counsel for life's perplexities, and his teachings were as gentle as the rustling leaves in the village's ancient bamboo grove. One day, a young villager named Takeshi approached Master Koji with a heavy heart. Takeshi was distraught because his fellow villager, Hiroshi, seemed to be ignoring him. The two had been close friends for years, and Takeshi couldn't fathom the reason behind Hiroshi's sudden indifference. Takeshi bowed respectfully and asked, "Master Koji, what should I do if someone ignores me?" Master Koji smiled knowingly and motioned for Takeshi to join him in the peaceful shade of the bamboo grove. They sat in silence for a while, the only sound being the soft rustling of leaves and the distant murmur of the village. After a contemplative pause, Master Koji spoke, "Takeshi, in the dance of life, there are moments when we feel ignored or overlooked. It is a natural part of the ebb and flow, like the gentle breeze that sways these bamboo leaves. Instead of resisting, try this, become like the bamboo." Takeshi looked puzzled but listened intently. "Observe the bamboo," Master Koji continued. "It stands tall and flexible, swaying with the wind. When the wind blows, the bamboo yields, bending gracefully without breaking. In doing so, it remains rooted and unharmed." Takeshi considered Master Koji's words and nodded in understanding. "If someone ignores you, do not let it break your spirit," Master Koji advised. "Be like the bamboo. Remain rooted in your essence, and allow the winds of indifference to pass through you. Do not resist, and soon you will find that the winds of change bring new perspectives and understanding." Takeshi left Master Koji's presence with a lighter heart and a newfound wisdom. In the following days, he embraced the teachings of the bamboo. As he remained rooted in his true self, the winds of indifference gradually passed. Hiroshi, sensing the change, approached Takeshi with a smile, breaking the silence that had separated them. And so, the village continued its peaceful existence, with Master Koji's wisdom echoing through the bamboo grove, a reminder to all that in the face of ignorance, one could choose the path of resilience and inner strength, much like the bamboo in the dance of the wind. If you haven't seen this video, click and watch now. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it now.